This episode of Will It Fry is sponsored by Rust-Oleum. Hi there guys, I'm Chris Bowden and welcome to the Geek Group. Today, continuing our Will It Fry series, it's the first Will It Fry in the Geek Group's new high voltage lab here on Leonard Street in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today, we're doing an IBM T40 ThinkPad. It's an antique that we've had laying around for a while. But what we've got is a ThinkPad laptop sitting on a grounded target inside the cage at the halfway point between the Project Gemini bipolar Tesla coil towers. It's 17 feet from the edge of that toroid to the edge of that toroid, so this puts us right in the middle, and I'm going to unplug it. We're going to hit this with massive amounts of electricity, and we'll see what happens. Love my job. Love my job. All right, we're on battery power now. We'll get that out of the way. Get the cords out of the way. Clear cage! Arming system. Gaps to 0. Rotary up. Fire! I think it needs to be a little bit higher. We did get a direct strike though.
We got 2.
We got 2?
Yeah, all right. It was arcing underneath the laptop to the grounding rod.
Yeah? All right, I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. Give me just a second here. I wouldn't want to drop it. It might hurt the laptop. It's still going. Think about that.
Yeah, the screen turned off each time we hit.
Yeah? All right, I'm gonna jack it way up there. I'm gonna have to do that with the laptop on it. There's no other way. Do 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 do. All right.
Yes, it's central, Sam.
Stacks at 0 coming up. Fire! It looks like it survived.
That's awesome.
That is pretty badass there. I am impressed. It appears to be fine.
Let's take the laptop down to it.
Huh?
Let's take the laptop down to it.
Well, I was thinking of adding, I think it needs a lightning rod. I think we should take and grab a bit of copper pipe that I happen to have laying around right here. And I'm just going to set this. Do we have a step stool or something?
You have a jabroni. You have a jacket in there.
Okay, this should help. Let's see how it tolerates that. Oh yeah, it's definitely not liking that at all. System safe. I'm actually going to move the breakout points a little bit further back.
Something to note on the video, Chris.
Huh?
The clock hasn't changed for the past 3 minutes.
On the computer?
Yeah.
All right, I've moved our breakout points to the back. Move the touchpad. Okay. We don't want it to go into sleep mode. Gap at 0, fire! Alright, now I'm going to go all out, because it... Oh, that's cool. Alright, I'm going to move this for a second, and I'm going to take this right over to the tower, and try and not drop a laptop on my head. I'm going to put it right here. Ready? Clear! System going hot. Gap coming on. Stacks at 0, fire! You want to plug it in?
Yeah, we have outlets by blue. If you plug it in and hold it up in front of the camera, we'll get the same.
Well, I'm just going to bring it right on down. Here. Okay. It's melted right here.
Yeah, it was hitting right there.
Oh yeah, it smells lovely. I'm going to get a power supply.
I am all laptop, so...
It's booting. Lights came on. That's awesome. It found the operating system. I am totally sending this to IBM. That is so amazing. This doesn't have anything. It's an old ThinkPad. I mean, it's Centrino, or yeah, this is old. It's like a P4, I think.
Because my R60 has a...
It booted. Yeah! That's cool.
The clock finally changed.
And yeah, and the clock actually changed. It's still off because it's actually 15:02 hours. But now let me see if I can make anything work here. Yeah, it's trying to do stuff. It's lagging really bad because we just put Windows 8 on a T40, but it worked. So yeah, that's that's so awesome. All right, so there you have it. That's an IBM T40 ThinkPad that just survived getting hit by lightning for, in total, well over a minute nonstop. I mean, we just did like 3-4 runs on this. So it's toast, and that is absolutely amazing that this would survive that. So thank you to all the cool guys at IBM for making such an amazing machine. And yeah, you guys have fun. I'm Chris Bowden with the Geek Group. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Learn more about the Geek Group and all the things we do to get people excited about science and technology at www.thegeekgroup.org. And I will see you guys next time.
This video was made possible by a grant from the Future Girl Foundation.
This video was made possible by thousands of private donations from members and viewers like you. Please visit thegeekgroup.org for more information on how you can donate and become a part of our dreams of Avalon.